Hi guys, good morning. This is Dr. Freddie again of Freddie's Farm. So currently we are here in Karen and we are supervising the plowing of the field. So this is the second plowing already, and we are preparing to plant potato already. So we managed to acquire 2 tons of seeds from ADC Molo, and we want to plant it to about 3 acres of land. Okay, so as you can see, this is the second plowing already, and we are very positive. Okay, so I have given you a lot of updates before, and we are ready. So for how much did we pay for the tractor? 25,000? 21. Aha, 18. For Regis. Okay. So that's the cost of plowing. What is that at your potato?
Potato which is planted here.
Oh, so they used to plant potato already here.
Yeah,
Okay,
planted some here.
wonderful.
Doing double.
Ah,
Now they do it.
great. That can be, you can collect. We are very excited. We are very happy with the progress. At least now we can say this is really our land. We leased this one 5 acres actually. So hopefully a lot of expenses for the first year. Anyway, just one crop for 2 acres. If we will get 20 tons, that would be $1 million already for revenue. That will compensate now for the cost of plowing, labor, seeds, everything. Farming is really a game of patience and a lot of optimism, of course. Farmers must be optimistic. Let's go and check. I bought some manure here. Okay, 3 bags of mbolea manure. It's part of our fertilizer. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to buy some sodas. They're not available. Okay. We're supposed to make some Bokashi. Okay, as fertilizer. Yeah. But Let me just show you some of the things that we bought today. Mm. We bought this watering. Where's the sprayer? I bought EM also. No, not that one. The one. Spray. I bought shovels also. Oh, the spray. That's okay. Sprayer is there. Okay. So these are just some of the things that we bought. Let me show you our seeds. We stored it here. Hello, sister. How are you? Let me just check the seeds, eh? So these are the seeds. Potato seeds. 2 tons. 40 bags. Okay. I think there are some, these are all Dutch, but there are some 7 bags that are Shangi. Okay. So everything is set. Hi sister, how are you? Finally we have seeds.
Yes.
And then we are plowing already the land.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's good. I have arrived this morning.
Uh-huh.
I traveled over the night.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah, I have found it has even days.
Yeah.
I left here on Friday.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the second plowing already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So we need to do second 2 plowing.
Oh, so it is done too.
So that now we can plant maybe on Friday
Yeah.
or Saturday.
Okay.
Mm.
Did they measure well to know where it is supposed up to where?
Right now they managed to plow 3 acres.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
So
So you will do better.
because we have only 2 tons of seeds.
2?
2 tons.
Ah.
The other tons will be arriving in November.
November.
Yeah, so the rest we're going to plant in November. But for the time being, we only plow 3 acres because we have only 2 tons of seeds.
Oh.
Yes.
So this is the seed.
Huh?
This is the seed.
No, the seeds are there.
Where?
The one we went there.
Ah.
Did you not see?
No.
Oh, come, let's see the seeds.
I have just arrived
Yeah.
and they didn't sweep after removing the grass.
Yeah.
The grass there.
So the seeds are here.
Yes, when it was already cut or
Yeah. I see that it's very clear already. So you sold the grass?
Yes, I sold.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I remember
It was not much.
because we paid first for the cutting.
Yes.
Uh,
Yeah. So here I removed the maize very fast
yes.
and I put the maize here.
The maize.
But they didn't do very well.
So that's so the seeds are here by the way.
Yeah.
So come and see.
And they usually seed so that it can be.
So these are the potato seeds here. We have 39 bags.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are the potato seeds from ADC in Molo.
Oh.
So these are certified seeds.
Okay. So
Yeah.
they are for the chips.
Crips.
The color is yellow or just?
Yeah, yellowish.
Oh, the
Yeah.
yellow.
So that's the kind of variety that our client, our customer is asking.
Okay, this is the one.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are anticipating 13 tons more. It's coming November.
I think this grass
Huh?
You can put it to go half.
Huh?
Instead of being two, it goes half.
Which one?
This grass.
Yeah.
So that you will have a space. Yeah.
So in November we're going to plant your 2 acres. Yeah. So I think we are making progress.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yes.
I want also to see if my place where I'm supposed to dig there and down.
Mm.
Yeah, I didn't know even for where they have done.
Yeah. So I was told by Paul they plowed 3 acres
Yeah,
because sometimes the 2 tons
yeah.
can also extend to 2 acres. So for to play safe, we plowed 3 acres, and maybe if there's a place, extra place, we can plant some manago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even this terere, they do very
Yeah,
well.
terere, yes.
They here,
Mm.
when you flower, because of the manure,
Yes.
they come out naturally.
Imagine,
So
yes.
you remove the potato.
I
We
bought.
are even sold it to current provision store.
Yeah.
We are just removing and washing and tying.
Yeah. I even bought three sacks of mbolea.
This one is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're very dry and
Yeah, that one is very
decompose.
economic.
Yeah.
Mine, I didn't manage even to remove because we are so busy.
Yes.
We had celebrations.
Yeah.
That's why I came this morning and we arranging.
Yeah.
Yeah, and doing here. And yeah.
So this is where we are right now.
I think I wish they could have passed up to here. So they put it around. And even don't worry about this. They could have started.
I think they're trying to avoid this pumpkin of yours.
They could have come. But they can remove those ones and burn. So this is the second they have done now.
Yeah, this is the second plowing now. And then now they're going to make some ridge to, because they're going to make some pile.
Today now they will do that and they put the manure.
Yes.
You can even plant. Yeah, it is very economic because you have a pipe here.
Yeah.
You just
We can pump water?
Yes, you get that tank, and since they are here,
Yes.
if they want even to put the irrigation, you get that big sprinkler.
The sprinkler, yeah.
They do even it can even done at night. They
Yes.
come and sit here.
Yeah.
I want to put the light here. Yes.
Light?
Yeah, because it is dark.
Yes.
I don't want to put it outside. It can be stolen.
Sure.
I want to see how where they have done.
Yeah, you can.
Down.
That, yes. You can check down there.
I know I cut the grass. I didn't know when sisters were coming to dig this here
Oh, that's for what?
for the putting the rubbish.
Rubbish.
So I wanted to
So first week of November, we're going to plow also this one.
yeah, the remaining part. This is, here, when we plant, there is no portion. We had five sacks
Yeah.
of potatoes. I used to plant and wait for.
So it's very clean now. They have cleared the grasses.
Now, here with the hands, they clear